Hey there, I'm Scott Steinberg, trends expert and the best-selling author of Millennial Marketing, Bridging the Generation Gap, and today I wanted to talk about what it takes to do business in the new era of smart. Now, naturally, we've all heard about the so-called Internet of Things and big data a million times by now, right? In fact, this year alone, more than 6.4 billion electronic devices will be connected online that'll let you collect thousands of individual data points about everything from customer purchasing patterns to how long people spend on your website. Anyways, here's the funny part though. As much as big data is the buzzword lately, it's small data that really matters most. And by the way, when I'm talking about small data, I don't mean the trillions of facts you could be combing through, but rather the 3 to 4 little actionable data points that can help you more effectively solve any problem or build your business to capitalize on emerging opportunities. But here's the beauty. Finding those insights does not have to be like looking for a needle in a haystack, and getting the answers you need shouldn't have to happen strictly as a reactive measure. So today, we operate in what I call the new era of smart, an age where technology can increasingly help you spot trends and opportunities even before the market realizes they're there, and of course even help you recognize what customers want even before customers themselves know they want it. So nowhere can you see this principle harder at work than the video game industry, a field where countless new products have flooded the market and commoditization has increased and barriers to entry are shrinking, and it's all but leveled the competitive landscape. So true story, literally more than 500 new video games are released today just for mobile devices alone, not counting PlayStations and Xboxes as we speak. And many of these games are completely free to play, all are increasingly in quality with each passing year, and by the way, with so much choice, very few are actually capable of capturing and holding customers' attention or loyalty anymore. So some of you may be fans of popular titles like Pokemon Go or Candy Crush Saga. We'll let you in on a little trade secret that you probably shouldn't tell your spouse or kids about why these games are actually so successful. And it's because small data and analytics are the driving force behind several of today's biggest gaming hits. So you may not realize it, but many online games and downloadable apps, they've got analytics solutions that they come armed with that will track every single action you take, every power-up you use, every button you tap on, and the game operators are increasingly monitoring these actions and your buying patterns to track which features most resonate, and even personalizing in-game offers to each person who's playing the game. So today, many successful game developers can actually predict what features, pricing programs, and even which new types of video game titles to introduce next, even, by the way, before we customers know that they want these offerings. And the crazy part is, designers are constantly retooling and updating these applications to be more lucrative, more enjoyable, and less risky for the business on a daily basis. So as you can see, business leaders are increasingly going to have to turn to strategies like these to stay ahead of the competition, and for that matter, ask themselves important questions about how organizations are going to have to change to adapt to the rise of high-tech solutions and this new era of smart. What's more, we're also going to have to consider to what extent this kind of technology is no longer going to be a tool, but also a guiding force going forward, right? So for more hints and tips on how to compete in the new era of smart, I invite you to check out our website at www.akeynotespeaker.com. Again, akeynotespeaker.com. And until then, I'm Scott Steinberg, signing off.